Oh, it's armor.
Does it work?
I think I hear it.
Or are we finding another dead elevator?
I hope it does.
Rip.
Wait.
Oh no, it's here.
Yeah, I figured it was just quiet. Because I smelled it. I kind of felt the
You
wind.
smelled it?
Well, I smelled the hydraulic fluid. And you don't really, oh, hold on, you care if I get my cab view quickly?
Yeah.
It's got the bumper too. Interesting cab.
Oh, I'm getting a fuzzy view here. Come on.
Oh, whoa. The whole thing is coming loose.
Oh yeah, hydraulic.
Oh, sorry.
So Dover with armor fixtures.
Mm-hmm.
Different kind of armor than the ones we... Oh, it has the same contact.
Whoa, bouncy. Yeah, this has square one this time.
Yeah.
And these are armor. Has armor key switches. The whole, you can tell the buttons are mounted separately from the, they're all mounted together.
Nothing lights up on this one.
Yeah.
Except the indicator that does. That's kind of weird. Aren't these supposed to have lights behind them?
I don't know. I don't typically see these ones light up. It's pretty quick though.
Yeah, not bad.
And then we get a fixture picture.
Fixture picture.
That's it.